Welcome. Classification of living things. Modern taxonomy, or the classification of living things, begins with the work of the 18th century Swedish scientist Carl Linnaeus. In 1735, at age 28, he published the first edition of his Systema Naturae. Over the years, as his students and colleagues continued to send him plants and animals collected on various voyages of discovery, he revised the Systema Naturae until it grew into multi-volume work. Linnaeus standardized the naming of plants and animals by using a Latin name for the genus with a second name for the species. Genus and species. The most common classification is by genus and species. The genus is the generic name, while species are defined as populations capable of breeding together that result in the production of fertile offspring. Reproductive isolation establishes separate species. For example, although a donkey and horse can mate, the mule offspring is sterile. Donkeys and horses are distinct species, but mules are not. An example of genus and species is the domesticated dog, or Canis familiaris. An animal in the same genus but different species is the wolf, Canis lupus. Kingdoms. The classification of living things is broken down into categories, from broadest to most specific. The first category is the kingdom, such as the animal, plant, fungi, protista and Monera kingdoms. The animal kingdom includes mammals, birds, reptiles, amphibians, fish, sponges and worms. The plant kingdom consists of flowering and non-flowering woody plants, mosses and ferns. Members of the fungi kingdom include fungi, mold, mildews, yeasts, smuts and mushrooms, while the protista kingdom consists of algae and protozoa. The Monera kingdom consists of bacteria, spirochetes and blue-green algae. Other classifications. The next classification after kingdom is the phylum, or general body shape. Next is the subphylum, or whether the subject is vertebrate or invertebrate. Invertebrates have myriad subphylums. Then comes class, such as mammal, reptile, etc. Order is the next classification. For example, humans are in the primate order. After that comes family, which for humans is Hominidae. The final classifications are genus and species. For people, that is Homo sapiens. Resources. University of California at Berkeley, Carl Linnaeus, 1707 to 1778. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.